At Duncan Bright Furniture, we guarantee we have absolutely the best prices on Ashley furniture, period.
Are you ready? Photoshop battles, it's some hardcore shit. It's like rap battles, but with graphic design enthusiasts. I've done one of these before. It's a lot of fun. Basically, someone submits a photo, then a bunch of people take it, Photoshop it, submit it, and then people vote on it. I suck at Photoshop. I'm complete garbage. Take one look at my thumbnails. Complete shit. But it is a good way to learn skills, and I need to learn skills, so let's give it a crack. Number one, this cat with a skull on its chest. Wow, it was born like that? There's got to be like one in a bajillion. All right, let's see what the competition's done first. Old school pirate holding skull. Ah, god damn it. God damn it. That's what I was going to do. I was thinking pirate. Bastard. Oh, god damn, that's sick. They made the cat the Punisher because of the skull. Oh, fuck yeah. They even made it a poster. Wow, that's amazing. All right, it's time for Laserboom to give it a go. Use this bit as a smile, make his eyes look a bit happier. Give him some... You don't like horror movies? I'm a vagina. All right, let's make him look more friendly. Use this bit as a smile, make his eyes look a bit happier. Give him some lipstick like he's going on a date. He needs some hair. Oh, I fucked up. I made the Joker.
You want to know look at these scars?
You got him from an Australian. This hedgehog posing in an Australian who's shit at Photoshop. Kill it, burn it with fire, burn it with fire. Is it illegal to set a cat on fire? That got a little out of hand. Shut up, bitch, you loved it. This hedgehog posing in a tiny kayak. Yep, there we go. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. By God, that is adorable. Oh, look at him, he's having so much fun. All right, let's chop him out. Start with the basics. Yep, chop him out. Looking good. You remember like a month ago, I did a shitty video that had this giant raft in it? Well, let's just plop him on top of that one. Eliminate this guy from existence. Yeah, get fucked, mate. And there he is. Look how... I really suck at Photoshop, but great story. Much fun. Oh my God. And there he is. Look how happy he is. Now we can go down the river, having so much fun. Oh my God. He's dead. What? I really suck at Photoshop, but I'm beating up a newborn baby. I'm talking fresh out of the womb, punching it in the face. And yes, I am the newborn baby. That's the skill difference here. He's just happy to be participating. Oh look, it's like he's on the Olympics. Oh, you get him. This is probably the Special Olympics though. Yeah, it's definitely the Special Olympics. This guy, they made the hedgehog Guy Fieri's head. Are you fucking serious? No! Are you joking? I thought I had an original idea. No, turns out someone already thought of the giant raft thing. This son of a bitch copied me. That's facts. Don't question it. You're fake news. A muscle-ridden monk sweeping a sidewalk. Oh, God, that dude is jacked. But he's like holy jacked. All right, rightio, let's just chop him out. Yep. Yeah, now I need a lightsaber. Don't question it. Yep. Replace the broom. Get rid of the broom. Looking good. Yeah, there we go. He's like a Sith monk. Looking good. All right, now I need an Ewok. Yeah, don't question it. Oh, one more thing. Yeah, that makes sense. Yep, throw him away. Not sure how a monk got to that point. Well, welcome to the Laserbeam channel. Make sure to belt the like button and subscribe for more stabbing of Ewoks. Big fan. The world's greatest. Oh shit, that's sick. They replaced Muhammad Ali with the monk. He's in the pose too. You know what? I'm actually changing it. It's the monk beating up the baby. I love it. No reason we can't be civil. Oh shit, they put him in 300. That's a good Photoshop too. Someone made him pole deaf. That's gotta be against like all his religious beliefs, surely. Don't care, baby, I'd make it rain. I'd be making it rain like rice gum over that chick who he made a rape joke at. Hilarious. Man sits on bench with his dog during Hurricane Harvey. Oh, that's both wicked and sad. Like, depressing situation, but that dude's a beast. Just sitting there with a beer. Kayak, bro. I got you. Up and away.
12 seconds later.
12 seconds later, they all got stuck in a tree and later died a long, terrible death of starvation. This Asian fisherman. Oh, damn. Well, that guy looks really cool. He looks like history. Does that make sense? The guy looks like history. All All right, mate, chop him out as always. Let's just do some cleanups and. Oh my god, not again. No, oh my god. Oh, the poor little Ewoks are really suffering today. No, now the real idea. Oh, it's so fucking stupid. Oh, I love Photoshop. The Asian warrior. That's racist. That's racist as, man. Didn't catch a thing. Lost my pants again, though. How? How did you do that? Why did you spend so much time making an old man pantless? Ah, god damn it. Someone had a similar idea again. Ah! This kid walking his dog in full astronaut gear. Oh, that's adorable. Is that Halloween, or does he just really love space? Or maybe he's got a condition where he has to be in a suit, like Bubble Boy. Wow, Bubble Boy. All right, let's just throw him on Mars, you know, just laser beam abducting a kid. I need a dust storm. Yes, let's... Oh, my God. All right, how about Hoth? Yeah, okay, and a... Wow, Bubble Boy. All right, let's just throw him on Mars, you know, just laser beam abducting a kid. I need a dust storm. Yes, let's put this kid through a dust storm. All right, how about Hoth? Yeah, okay, and a snowstorm. Ooh, chilly. All right, what about the forest moon of Endor? And maybe an Ewok storm. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Committing Ewok genocide, this video. Teddy bears deserve that shit. Harrison Ford dressed up as a nun.